The second major group of plant pathogens is the group that contains the bacteria. You're probably familiar with these because certainly there are human diseases that are caused by bacteria. Amongst the plant pathogens, there are about 200 species of bacteria that can potentially cause diseases. These are relatively small organisms, certainly compared to the fungi that we just discussed. You really can't see these organisms with the naked eye. You'd really need a light microscope in order to see individual bacterial cells. The upside to bacteria compared to fungi is that they're relatively simple. They aren't complex, don't produce those fruiting bodies like fungi do. They're actually just unicellular organisms, so single-celled, and they have relatively simple reproduction. They reproduce by something called binary fission. Inside a bacterial cell, what you basically have is a bacterial wall. There's a membrane inside, and then there's this piece of bacterial DNA. It's a bacterial chromosome. And to reproduce, these organisms just basically make a copy of that bacterial chromosome. One copy goes to one end of the cell, other copy goes to the other end of the cell. You can kind of think of it just kind of pinching off in the center, and you end up with cells each with a copy of that bacterial chromosome. And these bacteria are genetically identical.